This is 7th class science book and first chapter is plant systems. Before start the chapter we must know about basic points like food is the basic need of every cell of all the organisms. How does a plant obtain food and transport it to every cell of its body? What are vascular bundles and their function in plants? After studying this chapter we will be able to explain about and we should be talk about explain the root and shoot system in plants, label different parts of leaf, stem and fruit, external and internal structure, explain that the structure of leaf is adapted to the process of photosynthesis, uh, predict the role of xylem and phloem in transport of water and food in plants by observing the cross section of the stem. Describe the process of respiration and write word equation for it. Compare and contrast the process of photosynthesis and respiration. Define the process of photosynthesis and derive word equation for it. Investigate the phenomena of transpiration and its importance in a plant, wind, temperature, light, humidity, affecting rate of transpiration in plants. Now that plants require minerals to maintain healthy growth and life process, limited to magnesium to make chlorophyll and nitrates to make proteins. Explore and apply a natural rays of water based on the principle of transpiration. Vocabulary means that these points are used in whole chapter. Root hairs, outgrowths of epidermal cells in plant roots which absorb water and nutrients from the soil. A system consisting of xylem and phloem for conduction of water and transport of food in plants. Mesophyll cells, cells which are rich in chloroplast and specialized for preparation of food during photosynthesis. Chlorophyll, tiny openings in plant leaves for gaseous exchange and removal of extra water. Transpiration, loss or removal of extra water from aerial parts of plants. Recall what you have learned. We have learned about organs and organ system in plants, root and shoot system in plants, xylem and phloem, chloroplasts. These are different parts of a plant like dermal tissues, vascular tissue, ground tissues. These are three parts of a plant: root system, leaf. ये भी In this chapter we will learn the forming system in plants, root and shoot system, respiration, photosynthesis, transpiration. Root and shoot system in plants, like root system. Roots are the underground part of the plants, forming a system specialized for absorption of water and minerals from the soil. Secondary root, primary root, tertiary root, root hairs, region of nutrition, region of elongation, region of cell division. The initial root which grows from radicle of the embryo is the primary root or taproot. Its further branches form secondary and tertiary root system. The tips of root and shoot in plants consist of tissues formed by the cells called meristematic tissues. These cells are specialized for growth. These cells increase in number by rapid cell division. Root tip is covered by hard and protective structure called root cap. It protects the newly born soft cells from being damaged and environmental stresses. It enables root tip to grow through soil. More and more cells are formed by rapid cell division in this region, causing the root to grow deep into the soil and elongate the root behind. The region of nutrition has root hairs. Root hairs are thread-like outgrowth of epidermal cells which increase the surface area for absorption of water. Plants like grasses and strawberry have thread-like roots spread in soil but not growing deep. Such roots are called fibrous roots. Internal structure of root. The main parts in the internal structure of root are epidermis, cortex, endodermis, vascular bundles, that xylem and phloem. The arrangement of these parts are shown in a transverse section, like this structure inside the root: xylem, phloem, epidermis, root hair, apical meristem, xylem. Internal structure of root: root hair like this, epidermis, cortex, endodermis, phloem, xylem.